Welcome back to 6Storage. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through one of our newest features to better send out email notification to your tenants. That's right, we've just recently launched a new feature to better help you notify your tenants about the rental reminders, the late fees, or any kind of notification that you'd like to send them to an email. You find a new option in your dashboard called the Email Manager. And as always, this is going to give you 3 options to choose from on how you'd like to send this email. Now, the enhancements that we've done falls under the draft and email option. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that. You'd find now that we have a lot of categories that you can choose the tenants from. It could be all of your tenants, or just the active ones, your current existing tenants, your moved out, overdue, reserved, suspended, unpaid, or waiting list. That's your reservations. So I'm just going ahead and choose on all tenants for now. And then you could go ahead and choose the template that you'd wish to send them across. It could be the default templates that's already within the software, like your welcome template, or you can simply choose to create a new one, or even more, edit the chosen template. For now, I'm just going to go ahead with the welcome template. Scrolling down to look at all my tenants, I simply go ahead and choose the ones that I'd like to send this template across to. Scrolling more down, you'd find that we have the email preview dashboard available, where it tells us the from email, the reply to that can be editable, the chosen emails of your tenants, the CC, and the subject line. Scrolling more down, you'll be able to view the design of the chosen template and also make changes to them if you'd like to. Finally, you got the option to preview the template that you've chosen and how it would be sent across to your tenants. And after done that, you could always simply hit on send email to go ahead and send the email across to your tenants. The confirmation message confirms that the email was sent successfully. And there you go, a much improvised version for you to go ahead and choose tenants from a category and also send across any kind of email that you like, that you create a new or choose from the already created list of templates. Thanks so much for using 6Storage.